Good afternoon. This is Megan Lambeth, your Richmond County Tourism Director with This Week in Richmond. We are here in the beautiful downtown Rockingham area in front of Richmond Community Theatre. Richmond Community Theatre is one of the longest operative theaters in the state, and they have a new play that will be available Friday night and Saturday night at 6:30 and on Sunday at 2 p.m. There will also be some showings the following week, and it is the Ladybug Inn. So come downtown, even though it is supposed to be raining and messy this weekend, you will be good for the play inside here at Richmond Community Theatre. Today, Thursday, September 29th, Willow Tree and Company, downtown Rockingham, just around the corner from where we are now, will start their October market days. They will be open today, Thursday, Friday, and also Saturday. You can check their Facebook page for a preview of some of the new items they have in stock and also see the times they are going to be open. In Hamlet tonight at Bisque, they are having Family Feud night and also after that, adult game night. New in Hamlet is the Big Cheese Theater, and they will have a theater class tonight. At Hail Mary's, they will have Thirsty Thursday, and Thirsty Thursday will also be in Rockingham at Godfathers Lounge, and at Double Vision, they will have a 9-ball pool tournament. Friday the 30th, the last day of September 2022, Willow Tree will have their market days for October, and in Hamlet that night, Nerdy Collective is having a watch party for Hocus Pocus 2. Around the corner at Hail Mary's Tavern, they will have Flashback Friday, and here in downtown Rockingham, just across the street at Hudson Brothers, they will have live music with the Safety Committee Band. Over at Double Vision, they will have karaoke with DJ Eric Whitfield. On Saturday, October 1st, a lot of the events that were originally scheduled for this weekend have been postponed. There was going to be Rudy's Diesel Truck Jam at Rockingham Dragway. That was going to be a 2-day event, and this event has been postponed and will hopefully be sometime in the spring of 2023. There will be another diesel show in town in November at Rockingham Dragway, so make sure to see their website or Facebook page for that information. Also at Rockingham Dragway that afternoon, the Richmond County Chamber of Commerce was going to hold their annual Hoptoberfest, the premier craft beer and chicken wing festival, and that has also been postponed and will be next Saturday, also at Rockingham Dragway at the same time, with VIP getting in at 3 p.m., which is also the same time as Richmond County's Raffle at the Rock drawing. 4 o'clock will be general admission tickets for Hoptoberfest, and there are still a few general admission tickets available. You can purchase those on Richmond County Chamber of Commerce website or go by the Richmond County Chamber of Commerce here in downtown Rockingham. Norton Farms Autumn Fest has also been rescheduled for next Saturday, which will start that morning around 10 a.m. and last until 3 p.m. in the afternoon. So move all of your scheduled events, well, at least those, from this weekend until next weekend when we have better weather. Another option for indoor fun this weekend during the rain would be the John Coltrane 14th Annual Edutainment Festival, which will be in Hamlet, and that is put on by Gerard Morrison. For more information on this event and what all it will entail, you can see the Facebook page for JCMEF or Gerard Morrison, which also includes his contact information. The festival will begin at noon and last until 6 p.m. and that is in Hamlet off Guyo Road. See the Facebook post for the exact location. The after party that was scheduled at Double Vision with special performance by Justin Anderson is still waiting to be determined depending on the weather. So make sure to check the Double Vision Facebook page and also Instagram to see what decision is made, if he is going to come in town or who they will have providing entertainment Saturday night. And don't forget, here at Richmond Community Theatre, you can come see the play Saturday night and also stay dry as long as you bring an umbrella. On Monday, October 3rd, it is Margarita Monday around the corner at Hudson Brothers. And on the 4th, they will have homemade lasagna, and at Strikers Bowling Alley, they will have the Earl Dunn League at 7:30. On Wednesday, October 5th, there will be an Early Risers League bowling over at Strikers Bowling Alley. That night, there will be open mic and karaoke at Hudson Brothers and an 8-ball tournament at Double Vision. And back at Strikers, they will have their Industry League that evening at 7:30. For more information on these events and other upcoming events here in Richmond County, see our website, visitrichmondcounty.com, Facebook, Visit Richmond County, Instagram, Richmond Tourism, and subscribe to our YouTube page, Visit Richmond County NC. See you next week.